Welcome. The Lord God formed a man from the dust of the ground. Genesis 2:7. But how does this story compare to others, and is it scientifically plausible? Let's look at the historical landscape. In Babylonian myths, humans were made from the blood of a slain god to be slaves. In Egyptian lore, they were crafted on a potter's wheel. In these stories, humanity is a product of violence or a mere craft project. Now let's add one more point to our timeline. Modern science. Science tells its own origin story, one of stellar nucleosynthesis, that the carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen in our bodies were forged in the heart of a long-dead star. We are, as they say, star stuff. But where did that star stuff end up? It became the planets, the rocks, the soil. It became the very dust of the ground. So while the Genesis account is radically different from the myths of its neighbors, it has a fascinating parallel with modern science. Both agree our raw materials are terrestrial, found right here on Earth. This unique starting point makes the rest of the story even more fascinating. So let's examine the dust. The human body is a marvel of chemistry. 99% of you is 6 elements: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus. Carbon forms DNA backbones. Calcium builds our skeleton. Now let's look at rich, fertile topsoil. When we compare them side by side, the result is stunning. The oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, every single mineral for human life is present in abundance in fertile soil. The raw materials are identical. How do those elements get from the ground into us? Through the food chain, plants absorb these minerals. We are then sustained by this process, constantly turning the dust of the ground into us. This brings us to the profound conclusion. In terms of raw materials, the Bible's claim is 100% accurate. The building blocks of life are in the earth. The true miracle isn't the ingredients, but the recipe. The biblical account describes a moment of supreme intelligence, turning a collection of common minerals into a living, conscious being, deliberately created from the most humble of materials. Thank you for watching. If this strengthened your faith, please like and share, and we invite you to subscribe to Godly How to explore more together.